Hi everybody, welcome back to the Steller Flooring channel where we talk about our innovative flooring system and all things wood science. To stay up to date, please go ahead and subscribe and don't forget to mention to your friends.
So today we're talking about renovations and home remodels. And when people start thinking about hardwood floors, they start wondering what the cost might be. And so essentially let's start from the baseline of a wide plank hardwood floor. Maybe you've chosen it because it'll make your room look bigger, or maybe you've chosen it because you really like seeing the authenticity of the grain in that wide plank format. Whatever the case is, you're looking at about $8 to $14 a square foot in materials cost. But when you get a Steller hardwood floor, you get so much more.
Right, our floors come pre-finished and sealed on all surfaces so that it prevents that moisture exchange that can cause problems. We also send it with all the clip that you'll need to install that floor easily.
Which means for the same price, you can get essentially all of the benefits. So the easy installation, the easy removal, and even be able to pull up and resell your floor if you want to change the style. And you'll recoup some of that initial investment. So if you're thinking about hardwood floors, definitely head to our website and get a quote, and definitely subscribe to stay up to date.